In this video, we are going to start Chapter 3, Electronic Business Value. The emergence of information and communication technology has changed all aspects of human life, especially the way people do business. We constantly hear terms like online business, online stores, and etc. Therefore, it is very important for businesses and future leaders to learn the requirements of the e-business, its challenges and opportunities. This chapter covers two sections. In section 3.1, we will discuss the web as the main catalyst for e-business and for e-business models. In section 3.2, the advantages of business 2 and the role of web 2 and 3 in the future of online businesses will be discussed. Section 3.1, Web 1 e-business. By the end of this section, students will be able to first compare disruptive and sustaining technologies and explain how the internet and web caused business disruption. Second, describe e-business and its associated advantages. Third, compare the four e-business models. And fourth, describe the 6 e-business tools for connecting and communicating. Digital Darwinism implies that organizations that cannot adapt to the new demands placed on them for surviving in the information age are doomed to extinction. It means companies should constantly monitor the requirements of their customers to provide the best products and services to their customers. For example, Polaroid, which was once a pioneer in the photography industry, went bankrupt in 2002. Its managers probably failed to use Porter's 5 forces model to analyze the threat of substitute products or services. They did not keep up with technology, and as a result, they couldn't meet the demands of the customers who needed, for example, immediate access to their photos. And it all ended up in their bankruptcy. Disruptive technology is a new way of doing things that initially does not meet the needs of existing customers. And sustaining technology produces improved products customers are eager to buy, such as faster cars or larger hard drives. Innovator's Dilemma discusses how established companies can take advantage of disruptive technologies without hindering existing relationship with customers, partners, and stakeholders. Xerox and IBM, for example, listened to their existing customers and invested extensively in technology, but still lost their position in the market because they placed too much emphasis on satisfying customers' current needs and neglected new disruptive technology to meet customers' future needs, and as a result, they lost the market. Internet and World Wide Web are disruptive technologies that change all aspects of life. Internet is a massive network that connects computers all over the world and allows them to communicate with one another. Organizations must be able to transform as markets, economic environments, and technologies changes. The internet began as ARPANET, which was an emergency military communications system operated by the Department of Defense. Gradually, the internet moved from a military pipeline to a communication tool for scientists to businesses. Later, World Wide Web was developed by Tim Berners-Lee at CERN laboratory in 1989. The idea was to create a web of documents that everyone could access. World Wide Web provides access to Internet information through documents including text, graphics, audio, and video files that use a special formatting language called HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language by which web pages can be developed. Web browsers are client-side programs that allow users to access the World Wide Web or web pages located on servers. Hypertext Transport Protocol, or HTTP, is the Internet protocol web browsers use to request and display web pages using URL. URL, or Universal Resource Locator, is an address used by web browsers to access documents located on web servers. The primary way that users navigate around the web is through a URL.